Perseverance, nicknamed Percy, is a car-sized Mars rover designed to explore Jerezo Crater on Mars as part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. It was launched on 30 July 2020 at 11:50 UTC. Naming of rover. We, as humans, evolved as creatures who could learn to adapt to any situation, no matter how harsh. We are a species of explorers, and we will meet many setbacks on the way to Mars. And that's what inspires the name Perseverance. NASA's animation showing how the rover will descend and land. Perseverance rover landed safely when carrying on its belly a 4-pound drone helicopter known as Ingenuity, which will be released after 60 Earth days. It will be the first powered flight by a drone on any planet beyond Earth, after surviving the rover's landing. Technical details. Perseverance has a similar design to its predecessor rover, Curiosity. It carries 7 primary payload instruments, 19 cameras and 2 microphones. The rover is also carrying the mini helicopter Ingenuity. First primary payload instrument is Mastcam Z, which is zoomable panoramic camera. Second one is Shalom, which is an ultraviolet spectrometer accompanied by a camera named Watson, whose goal is to identify ancient Martian environments capable of supporting life, seeking out evidence if microbial life existed in those environments. Third one is Supercam, which is a laser microimager whose goal is remote mineralogy and chemistry, including organic detection. The fourth one is RIMFAX, a subsurface radar whose goal is to discover and map subsurface geologic structure down to 500-meter depth with ground-penetrating radar. Fifth one is Pixel, a X-ray spectrometer which will measure rock composition at the 100 micrometer scale. Sixth one is MEDA, Mars Environmental Dynamics Analyzer, which measures temperature, humidity, wind, and dust. Seventh one is Mars Oxygen in Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, which will convert CO2 to O2 as possible future. Mission objectives. The Perseverance rover has 4 science objectives that support the Mars exploration program. Looking for habitability of microbial life. Seeking biosignatures. Collect core rock and regolith samples and store them on the Martian surface. Preparing for humans by testing oxygen production from the Martian atmosphere. The successful landing of Perseverance in Jerezo Crater was announced at 20:55 UTC on 18 February 2021. The signal from Mars, taking 11 minutes to arrive at Earth, and also sent the first picture.